Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Max, not Trash. I am Princy Darji, and as you know that I am a student of 10th standard studying in Photon school. It is a science concept school located in Gujarat. And the most important point that I have to tell you today is my maths teacher, my maths guru is Gulam Sheikh sir. He guides me the best in maths and he's the best professor also. So let's talk about today's video. Today we are going to learn the coordinate geometry. Not to learn, to understand the basic of geometry. So let's get started. Start with the coordinate geometry. First of all, we will look at the what is coordinate geometry. It is defined as the study of geometry using the coordinate points. Now, what is the meaning of coordinate points? Coordinate is a point formed with the help of x-axis and y-axis. It means this horizontal one is called the x-axis and the vertical, this on the vertical it's called y-axis. Here there are 2 points. When we have a point here means O, x, y. For we will write x first and after that y. Okay, it is a rule because now here we are having a width. You can see that the distance from the x-axis, this distance is called this distance because it's parallel also. So this is called the x and this distance is equal to this distance. That's why it is called y. So this x and y point forms this coordinate point. That's why the definition of coordinate is the formed by the help of x and y axis both. So here we will learn the detail of x-axis and y-axis. So let me start with the x-axis. Here you can see that the horizontal path line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. Okay. Now you are able to see that the both x-axis and the y-axis are cutting each other at a point and that point is called bisector. But here we will tell it origin and it has 0 point. It means you notice that here 1 2 3 4 but here on the left hand side we have minus term, -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, on the right hand side of x-axis we have positive terms and the left hand side we have negative terms, and at the between we have the origin point. It is common for x-axis and y-axis both. The origin has the number 0 0. Let us talk about the y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical line. On the upper side it is having positive terms and the lower side it is having negative terms. It is called y dash. Now you are able to see that here I have written quadrant. The space available here or any of the point given here, it is called a point in quadrant 1. If we write a point here, it is called the point in quadrant 2, the point in quadrant 3, and this is the last quadrant 4. Now we will start with the quadrant terms. Now you can see that in quadrant 1 we are having 4, 2. It means both the terms are in positive terms. Here 4 gives to x and 2 is for y. It shows that quadrant 1 is having both terms positive. It means positive y, positive x. In the second term, what happens? The point is here, the -1 is in x-axis and positive 4 is the y-axis. Okay. So the quadrant 2 is having -x, positive y. What is the situation of quadrant 3 now? X gives us -3 and the y gives us also -3. It means quadrant 3 gives -x, -y. And the fourth quadrant gives us positive 3 and negative 2. It means quadrant 4 gives x, -y. Now a new name of x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. So we will see one important question. Now what happens when we are having one of the axes as 0? Okay, one of the coordinate as 0. First we will see that if x is 0 means x here, this is the x-axis, it is 0. It means it will lie here 0. The breadth is nothing of x-axis. So whenever x-axis is 0, coordinate will be on the y-axis. It means y-axis is 1, so the answer will be here. You can write directly also whenever you are having x-axis 0, and but you know what is y-axis. If we write here -5, you will directly put here -5 and write here 0 -5. Okay, and what happens when x is 1 and y is 0? It will always come here to 0 point, it is the origin point. Okay, and x is 1, so x here comes 1, there is no breadth of y-axis, that's why the answer will be 0, not 0, 1 and 0. If I write here -3, what will happen? The answer will become here -3, 0. The vice versa, whenever x equals to 0, the coordinate will be formed on x-axis. Okay, here we come to the end of this class. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Do subscribe my channel. It's Max, not Trash, and this video is edited by me myself. And for more information of Photon School, Concept Science School, go to the YouTube channel of Photon School e-learning. Thank you for watching my video.